Hello guys, new mining video for new mining site. This is the homepage of the site. The link will be in description. Like you see, this is the homepage of the site after registration. From the link in the description, you will have this wall like that. When you click here, you will find your earn coin with faucet. Like you see, every 13 minutes. PTC wall, there is PTC wall like you see. You can work in PTC wall too. If you want to maximize your earning, you can go to shortlink and make more points earning. Like you see, this is our site. Also, you can advertise in this site. You can create an ad here. You change your points here and create an ad to publish your site or your faucet if you want. This is our site. We go to a dashboard. Like you see, I have 17,859 coins. Let's withdraw. Like you see, I already have a payment. It's completed. Like you see, in Bitcoin or Litecoin or Polygon or Dogecoin. I choose Bitcoin. You register with your email faucetpay. Don't forget to register with your email faucetpay. Let's withdraw now. We just complete this small captcha and withdraw. It's very simple. We'll use a script to claim unlimited coins. Like you see, payment is sent 100%. I received in my faucetpay. Let's go to the script. This is our script. We run as usually. You put php space bot.php. Instruction will be in description of the video. It's simple. The link after opening the script, it will shows like that. It will ask you for authorization. We go to our HTTP canary. We click here, we choose our application. It's Chrome. We open in Chrome or any other browser that you use. You select your browser, then you click here. Now we will make captation. We just return to dashboard. Now we do like that for 2 or 3 times to capture data. Like you see, we return to our HTTP canary. Now we search for get Bitcoin for our site. Like you see, now we search for get Bitcoin. Shows many ads. We must reload again. We just clean. We let then another time. We refresh the page. We click close ads. We refresh the page. We close ads. We refresh the page. We close ads. Now we return to our HTTP canary. Now we search for our site. You can use this method or just go to its you can do that. You can go to filter and search our server. Like we see, it didn't show our we repeat that until we get our cookies from the site. We must have the name of the site. We do like that. Must have this site, get Bitcoin. it always show like that. I want to show you like that. If we go to our filter and say select server host, we will not find our site. It's very hard to claim. We click in dashboard, we click in dashboard, we click in get, we click in get, we reload again and again until we have our cookies. Like that. You can use method when you log in. When you log in to get cookies, we don't get cookies from the site. We do that. We return to the site. We click here to log out. Like you see here, you put your email. You put your email faucetpay. We return to our HTTP canary. We run. We click in enter. Now it will enter like that. Now we will get our cookies from the site. Like you see, get bitcoin.in. Use this method. We don't copy our cookies. We go here. Like you see, we just clean. We return. We activate our we reload to get our cookies. It's hard in this site to get cookies. There is get bitcoin dashboard. We must have this one. Get bitcoin dashboard graph 200. Like we see, we select our authorization. We return to our termux. We put. Now we put our user agent like that. Now the script is starting. Like I told you, the script is starting now. Success login data. This is my account. I have already withdraw. Like you see, it will claim every 13 minutes for you, the non-stop. This is our video today. All link will be in description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.